Hello and welcome to Tech Resurrected. In this episode, we are gonna cover iOS 14 that is newly launched in all Apple devices after the September event of Apple, and we're gonna cover all the features that are new in this update. So, very first feature is the all new widgets. As you can see on the screen, and there are all these newly rounded off widgets, and they are designed very nicely and cleanly. The interface is so clean that you actually like using them. The redesigned widgets can be placed directly on the home screen. Small, medium, and large widgets size allow you to pick the amount of information to display. Widget stacks make the most of your home screen space, and the Smart Stack uses on-device intelligence to show the right widget at the right time. Widget Gallery includes all available widgets to browse and choose from. Redesigned widgets from photos, news, weather, stocks, calendar, etc. are readily available, and more to come from the developers. Now coming up to the app library. The app library automatically organizes all your apps into categories. The suggestions category uses on-device intelligence and machine learning to show apps you are likely to be looking for based on factors like time of the day or location. The recently added category shows apps that were recently downloaded from the App Store as well as app clips that were recently launched. Ability to hide home screen pages to get to the app library even faster by tapping the dots at the bottom of the screen while in the jiggle mode. Now, based on my usage and experiences, the categories that the iOS created in my phone are matching exactly the way it is. For example, the utilities categories, the productivity and finance categories, shopping and food category, the social media category, the games category, all these categories and the apps are arranged nicely and they are categorized very nicely. There is this information and reading category also. So that way I believe that the machine learning and the intelligence that the iPhone and iOS use in this app categories is amazing. Next, we are going to talk about the compact design factor that were introduced in the iOS, and this is the much loved feature I believe for the calls and FaceTime and all the Siri notifications. So first of all, we'll take a look at the Siris. As soon as you ask something from Siri, instead of holding up the whole space, it only uses the bottom of the screen and it shows the result. So that way you save the whole space of the real estate of the phone, and at the same time you can interact with the Siri also. The incoming phone and FaceTime calls appear as a banner at the top of the screen. Siri has a compact design that allows you to refer to information on screen and seamlessly launch into your next task. Then picture-in-picture enables watching a video or taking a FaceTime call when you use another app. So these are amazing features and compact designs introduced in iOS 14. Coming to the iMessages, the pinned conversations keep up to 9 of your favorite messages threads at the top of the list. Mentions let you direct a message to an individual in a group conversation. Inline replies let you reply to a specific message and see all related messages in their own view, and group photos can be customized for a shared group look. Then there are minute updates into Memojis. There are 11 new hairstyles and 19 new headgear styles to customize your Memoji. New Memoji stickers to send fist bump, hug or blush. 6 added age options and face covering options to represent the pandemic that's going on right now. There are also some improvements in the Maps app, and there is new features called app clips, but these are the features that in India I don't think they have launched properly. Maps apps is not optimized for India, and apps clips has not launched in India yet. So we are yet to wait for the proper utilization of these apps and these features in India. Then there is new Translate app that was introduced with iOS 14. The new Translate app is designed for conversations and can work completely offline, so your conversations stay private. A split screen design in conversation mode has a single microphone button that automatically detects which of the selected language is being spoken and transcribes the original and translated text on the correct sides of the screen. Attention mode shows translation in larger text so you can capture someone's attention, and voice and text translations are supported for any combination of 11 languages. So native Indian languages are not yet supported, but as you can see, there are 11 languages that you can download offline, and all these languages will work very nicely in this translate app. The attention mode is something that you can use to grab someone's attentions because the fonts will become larger and bolder. So this is a very nice app, and offline and private app for translation. It will be very helpful for the tourists and people who have to deal with other languages frequently. Coming up to the Siri, a new compact design allows you to refer to information on screen and seamlessly launch into your next task. Expanded knowledge brings 20 times more facts than 3 years ago. The web answers help find answers to a broader set of questions using information from across the internet. Audio messages can be sent with Siri on iOS and CarPlay. Expanded language support for the new Siri voice and Siri translation. Now coming to the search, one place where you can find everything. Search for apps, contacts, files, quick informations like weather and stocks, common knowledge questions about people or places, or even quickly start a web search. Then there is top hit results shows the most relevant information including apps, contacts, knowledge, point of interest, and websites. Then quick launcher allows you to launch an app or website by tapping a few characters. As you type, search suggestions show more relevant results, and as soon as you start typing, web searches suggestions to launch Safari and get most relevant web results. Then start a search in apps like mail, messages, and files. There are also improvement in Safari for privacy and password management. Then there are improvement in weather for the hour-to-hour and minute-by-minute forecast. Also, the government issued alerts about certain severe weather events like tornadoes and winter storms and everything. Most importantly, in airports, the spatial audio with dynamic head tracking on airports is coming. So now sound quality in airports will be even better. Then there are battery notifications to let you know that you need to charge your AirPods. Coming to the privacy improvements, now you can choose how many photos that you want to access to each app by selecting limited amounts of photos, and this is another good privacy feature. Coming back to accessibility, the most important one is the back tap that you can trigger, like taking a screenshot or locking your phone or opening notification or quick panel or anything. So that is nice. Then there is this sound recognitions that uses on-device intelligence to detect and identify important sounds such as alarms. Then there are improvements into app stores like the glanceable and scrollable views. Then coming to Apple Arcades, there are so many sneak peek to Apple Arcade games, and you can automatically download them as soon as they are released. And this Apple Arcade will also be a part of Apple One subscriptions whenever it launches in India. Then there is Game Center dashboard showcase, and they show your profile and everything, so that is nice improvement. Coming to augmented realities, there are incremental updates into augmented realities. Coming to cameras, so many updates in camera. Updated night mode on iPhone 11. Then quick take video is now enabled on iPhone 10R in photo mode, so you can hold the shutter button to quick take a video. Then there is this mirror front camera that lets you capture selfies that match the front camera preview. Then improved QR code reading to scan codes even if they are small or wrapped around the object, so that's nice. Coming to CarPlay, there are new categories of supported apps for parking, EV charging, and quick food ordering. Then there are wallpaper options in CarPlay, but in India, I don't know how many cars are supporting CarPlay. Coming to FaceTime, so improve video quality with up to 1080p resolution on iPhone 10 and later. So in iPhone 10R also it will be available. Coming to files, there is some APFS encryption supported for external drivers. That's nice. Then health has got a lot of improvements. The wind down that helps you create pre-bedtime routine with apps and shortcuts like listening to a relaxing playlist. Then custom sleep schedules. Then sleep mode minimizes the distractions and automatically turns on the do not disturb mode. Then health checklists help you track the manage and health and safety features in one place. So many nice improvement in health. Keyboard also got so many improvements region wise. There are so many improvements in keyboard app also. Coming to the music, there is a new tab for discovering and playing your favorite music artist and playlists and mixes genre wise. Autoplay and filtering, everything is improved there. Coming to notes, there is enhanced actions in notes. So there are so many improvements in notes. Photos has also got so many improvements now. um, Live photos has got more improved stabilization, redesigned image picker in apps. Then some improvements in podcast reminders, rearranging or hiding smart list, or so many improvements in reminders. Settings, yes, options to set your default email and web browser is there, but it is a little bit buggy. Siri shortcuts has also got some improvements. Voice memos have got improvements, incremental updates here and there. So I think that's it, guys. I think we have covered all the new features that are launched in iOS 14. Let me know in the comments below if I have missed something, or if you want me to expand any of these features. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to this video. Thanks.